Okay, now I am going to continue. Now, the air which is above the land, it gets heated up. Now, the second thing is the water in the sea does not get heated up. Okay, it does not get heated up. It does not get heated up. So the air above it is cool. Now, air above it is cool. Now, this is cool sea, and the air above it is cool. Now, the cool air from the sea rushes to occupy the space of the warm air. We know that land has been heated up. ठीक है, सन की रेस से जो हमारी लैंड है वो गर्म हुआ है, और एंड द एयर अबव इट इज ऑल्सो हॉट. नाउ एयर अबव इज ऑल्सो हॉट, इट इज ऑल्सो heated up, and as we know that hot air, warm air is lighter, and it rises above, so it has rose. Okay, now this warm air will rise above, and this cool air which is above the water surface, it is cool because obviously it does not get heated up, the water has not get heated up, so the cool air above it will rushes toward to take place take the place of the warm air. I hope you have understood this. Warm air ऊपर जाती है, सन रेज लैंड और सी दोनों पे पड़ रहे हैं. लैंड इज गेटिंग हीटेड अप, लैंड के अबव में जो एयर है दैट इज ऑल्सो गेटिंग हीटेड अप. वी नो दैट हॉट एयर राइजेज अप, सो इट हैज रोज अप, एंड द एयर विच इज अबव द sea, because it is a water surface above the sea, it is cool, and it is rushing towards the land to take place of the warm air. वार्म एयर जब ऊपर उठ जाएगी वो जगह खाली हो गई, सो दिस कूल एयर विल मूव टूवर्ड्स द लैंड फ्रॉम द सी टू टेक प्लेस of the warm air. Now this is called sea breeze, because the water is traveling from sea to land. This is called sea breeze. So a cool breeze blows towards the land from the sea during the day. This is called sea breeze. I hope you have understood this. This is called sea breeze. Now we know that our earth is rotating day and night. ठीक है, दिन और रात हो रहे हैं. वाई? बिकॉज आवर अर्थ इज रोटेटिंग. दिन के बाद रात आता है, रात के बाद दिन. देन दिस हैपन्स इन द डे टाइम. ये तो दिन के टाइम पे हो रहा है. नाउ दिस इज ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम. नाउ व्हाट हैपन्स एट द नाइट. जब रात होती है. नाउ एट नाइट देयर इज नो सन. Okay, at night there is no sun. Obviously there is no sun. Now during the night the land cools down. अब क्या होएगा? उल्टा होएगा. अब heated अब नहीं होगा, अब cooling process होएगा. Now during the night the land cools down quickly. We have done that activity. Understood? We have done that activity, and we know that land heated up quickly than water and cools down quickly than water. So अब रात को sun नहीं है, so land is getting cooled up. Okay, so land is getting cooled up, as means it is quickly being cooled up than the water. Now during the night the land cools down quickly. Now air above it is also cool. Okay, now जब land ठंडा हो रहा है उसके above में जो air है, that breeze, that is also वो धीरे धीरे gradually that is also cooled up. Okay, that is also cooled up. वो warm तो नहीं होगा. अब जब लैंड ठंडी हो रही है तो उसके ऊपर की हवा भी ठंडी होगी. सो द एयर अबव इट ऑल्सो कूल्स डाउन. ओके, इट ऑल्सो कूल्स डाउन. सो द वाटर इन द सी इज वार्म. नाउ वाटर इन द सी इज वार्म. हाउ कम वार्म? बिकॉज अब पूरे दिन में जो हुआ था ये भी तो धीरे धीरे गर्म हुआ था ना. वी हैव डन दैट लैंड, बट लैंड जल्दी हुआ था, बट जो सी है, सी में जो वाटर है वो थोड़ा कम हुआ था. उसने कम टाइम लगाया था गर्म होने में. नाउ वो तो वार्म था. नाउ एट नाइट लैंड it cooled up quickly than water. Water is also warm, so it cooled up quickly than water, and the air above it also cools down. So the water in the sea is warm. Now it is warm है ना. इसके ऊपर जो warm breeze है, what is that? Hot breeze, warm breeze, that will rise up, isn't it? That will rise up, that will rise up, and this cool air will again rush back to sea, okay, from the land to sea to take place of this warm air, to take place this warm air. So as hot air is lighter, it rises up, the cool air from the land rushes to occupy the space of the warm air. So a cool air blows toward the sea from the land. Now जो cool air है that blows from land to towards the sea. Now this is called land breeze, and this happens at night. Now sometimes some children feel difficult to learn it. Now what you can learn from this, one formula I will give you. For example, sea breeze, sea has S in it, isn't it? Sea has S in it. You learn from this that sea has S in it, and sun has also S, isn't it? Sun has also S. आप spell करके लिखते हो SUN. Sun has also S. Then you learn from this, sun is always during the daytime. So sea breeze, because some children they feel difficult in learning this, I'm giving you just the formula how to learn it. Just remember that sea breeze, it has S, okay, related with S of the sun, and sun is always during the daytime. Night में तो sun नहीं होता है, it is always during the daytime. So sea breeze during the daytime, and land breeze we have, second land breeze we have. If this is in the daytime, always land breeze will be during the night. This way you can learn it. Now a cool air blows towards the sea during the night. This is called land breeze. Now this must be very clear that land and sea breezes are caused by the uneven heating of the land and sea by the heat of the sun. Okay, so now these land and sea breezes, they are caused due to the uneven heating. What is uneven heating? Means the heating, the pace. Okay, the pace of getting heated up is not equal of the land and the water. Understood? Simple भाषा में, in normal language, in very simple language, land जल्दी गर्म होता है, लैंड जल्दी गर्म होता है, और सी जो वाटर है वो जल्दी गर्म नहीं होता है. In other word, land takes lesser time to getting heated up. Means वो बहुत जल्दी fast heated up होता है as compared to water.